What's up, y'all? Yeah, you see Khrome right there. We going in Thunder Chief. This is a new place for them. And we finna get this gas tank put on. What's going on, man? Is Jules here?
He is. How have you been? I haven't
I'm
seen
good.
you in a minute, man.
Yeah, it's been a minute. Y'all move, man.
Yeah.
So yeah, y'all, we at Thunder Chief, man. They've been around in McKinney for years, since I've been in McKinney about 20-some years. So I've been in McKinney area for a while. So yeah, we're gonna see what Jules got going on so we can get this gas tank put on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that boat off right there, this boat here, this boat, and then you have a boat up here you gotta take off with the plastic here. I don't know if you can see that right here. You got one on each side. And we're gonna pull the gas tank off. So we're gonna get to it. The dudes take a hammer and knock this ring off right here, knock it back that way, so we can pull all this up right here, disconnect all the lines here and there. So yeah, to disconnect the gas line right there. Any gas come out?
A little bit.
Oh, okay.
Removing the top plate here, pull the pump out, switch the check valve out at the bottom. That's about it.
Okay. So what lines are those? The inner and the outer? What? What is that?
Let's see, we got fuel going in, I believe, here, and then it goes through the filter, and it's going to come out here into the check valve, and then into your pressure line.
Okay.
Pumps in there too.
I ain't never seen that pump before right there. To get gas out.
Yeah, get these at the auto store, a few bucks.
Really? Removing. We'll get ready to put the new tank on. And then this is the new filter that we're putting on right here. And here's the part number right here for that new filter. This is the fuel pump strainer. So that's the part number right there if you're looking for anything, all right? This tank, y'all, is by HR3 right here. We got HR3 baggers, y'all, and check out their products, man. They color match everything like I told you before. New strainer on the bottom of it, so make sure everything's good. You know, we might as well change it while we got it like this. So yeah, we're getting that on, and we're changing the filter as well, like I showed you before. So that's where you change the filter at right there. Yeah, that needed to be changed right there. Oh my God. Yeah, that's trash right there. Y'all see that? Yeah, man. So get your. I think everywhere. How many miles they say you change this?
It says 100,000 by the book, so that'd go at least maybe 20.
Yeah. Y'all see that right there. That's 40-some thousand miles right there. I think 46. Filter only costs like $25. A strainer like $30. And you can see the difference right here on the filter, y'all. That's crazy, man. Yeah. So.
This little clip just goes in the slots, and that's all.
Oh, so to hold it down.
Just get it in there, right?
Oh, okay. Back in with the pump. So yeah.
We're gonna go on one way. You got a big plug and a small plug.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about taking it backwards.
Nice. We getting it done, y'all. Cool.
We got new seals over there, so I'll get you a new one of those. So the little float goes up and tells it
If it's gas low and high.
Yeah.
Okay. And that clips into place too as well? Yeah, we putting a new seal on here as well. That's the rubber that goes right around here that he's doing right now. So, and here's the part number here. So yeah, we getting it done, y'all. All right, y'all, we got it back in. You're just gonna lock this up. Tank going back on. Yep. We got the two bolts going back in here. We're gonna do this one here. All right, then with this hole that came off, gonna go back right here. And you got the other piece here. I'm just gonna go right up here. And that boy about ready to go. He's torquing the bolts right now. Yeah, we're gonna take the tape out. He's finna stick it on here with the tape. I just did that so we wouldn't scratch this boy. So yeah. All right, we put the center console back on now, y'all. Got the screw here and the screw up here. All right, y'all, we refilling the tank now so we can get it back on the road, and it looks good too, man. Woo! That boy sound good, boy. Yes, sir. Good job, Jules. Appreciate it, man. Hey y'all, I want to say thanks to Thunder Chief Garage down here. I'll put their address down on the screen so you can come check them out, man. So yeah. All right, y'all. All right, we are back in the garage and the tank is on, y'all. I got to give a big shout out to HR3bagger.com. Make sure y'all go check out HR3 Bagger. Great products. Reason why I can say great products, this tool pack here, it's HR3. I've been having this tool pack for 3 years right here. This thing been going up and down the road with me for 3 years. The lowers are HR3 baggers. I've been rocking those for 3 years. Now I got the tank on here, and y'all saw the installation of my dude Jules putting the tank on and everything. And I want to give a big shout out to Thunder Chief Garage over in Anna, Texas, and congratulations on your new building out there. So I know you're still trying to get everything in order. I really appreciate you getting me in and getting this taken care of. And now we finna get to pulling all the other lures off and everything. And I got more boxes in the house, y'all. Yes. So yeah, man. That tank looks really good. It just blends in with everything. I mean, the denim paint is on point, so I don't have all that shiny stuff in there anymore. It's not shiny and glossy, because you know, you wipe on denim too much, it will start turning real shiny on it. And mine was getting shiny, and it had those all you know, them blemish on the other side of it, and those scratches that was just awful. So yeah, but we're gonna end the video right here. And again, big shout out to HR3 Bagger. Make sure you go to HR3 Bagger, y'all. They color match too as well, and I think their prices beat a lot of people. Yeah, it does. So y'all, I'm out of here till the next time, the next grind. Y'all have a blessed day, man. We are finna break down some more stuff. So stay tuned for more videos coming from your boy Kelly B on Kong. And I'm out. Peace. Love y'all. Hey, click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. All right. Let's get this 10K before the new year. If we can get it, baby. Let's try to get it, baby. So I'm out. Peace.
Kelly B's rolling. Rides with fire, he rides with pride. Wind in his hair on that we rolling, man. No looking back, just miles to burn. Every twist and turn's another lesson learned.